tucked between the famous regions of Hindi and Maithili, is a language with a fiercely independent rulebook, Teti Angika. First up, the nickname. British linguist George Grierson officially dubbed it Chika Chiki. Why? Because speakers constantly use the words chikai and chai to say is. That single, highly distinct verb form became the language's entire historical identity. Next, a bizarre phonetic quirk called Viprei, where speakers fluidly swap their consonants. Instead of starting words with N or R, they trade them for L sounds. So the standard word for river, nadi, effortlessly transforms into ladi. And finally, an expanding noun system. Most languages have one base form for a noun. Teti Angika uses a unique three-tier length system, short, long, and extra long. A name like Fudan stretches to Foodna, and then all the way to Fudanma. These aren't just informal regional slangs or sloppy mispronunciations. They are strictly codified grammatical rules that give Teti Angika its own fiercely independent linguistic identity.